Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to make these flower and pearl hairpins. They're perfect if you want to take part in the tradition of having something blue on your wedding day. So here's what you're going to learn today. I'll show you how to make branches with wire and pearls. You'll learn how to attach flower bead caps to your hair accessory. And finally, I'll show you how to secure them onto a U-shaped pin. Here's all the materials needed to make these hairpins. To start, I'll show you how to make pearl branches with wire. The key here is to work directly from the spool of wire. It means you won't run out of it in the middle of making the branch. Thread 16 of your oval pearls onto it. Once all your pearls are on the wire, you can start forming the decoration. Leave about 30 centimeters of wire at the beginning and bend it there. Now, bring your first pearl right up to where you just bent it. Twist the wire until it's about 1.5 centimeters in length. Then slide the next pearl to the right side, leaving 0.5 centimeter space between it and the stem of the branch to twist the wire. This will encase the bead. From now on, twist the wires for about 0.5 centimeter distance before each offshoot. Alternate the sides of the branch with each bead you add. Once you have 4 beads on, start leaving about 1 centimeter space between the pearl and the stem of the branch. This will make the branch a bit wider. Add 7 beads to this branch. Now that you have 7 beads on, it's time to make a smaller 6-bead branch to the right side of the main one. Measure 5 centimeters and bend the wire there. Form the branch the same way as you did the main one. add another even smaller branch to the left side of the main branch. Measure 3.5 centimeters and bend the wire there. Slide your first bead where you just bend it. Make this branch with only 3 beads. Position the second bead on the right side of the first one and the third bead on the left side. Then cut the wire off the spool. Cut it to the same length as the other one. And that's how you can form branches with pearls and wire. Now let's move on to adding the something blue in the form of a flower. Take one of the flower bead caps and thread one of the wires through the hole on it. Then add a stem bead cap followed by a 6mm pearl bead. Take the end of the wire and thread it back through the hole on the flower and stem bead cap, but not through the pearl. Make sure the pearl is at the base of the flower and keep your finger on it to keep it in place, whilst pulling the rest of the wire through until the flower is flush against the branch. Wrap the wire around the branch and then around the base of the flower bead cap to ensure that the flower isn't going to move around too much. Wrap the wire between each branch to make sure that the flower is fully attached to them. Repeat with the other wire. And that's how you can add a flower to your design. Now, let's move on to attaching the decorations onto a hairpin. I'm using a 6.5 centimeter long U-shaped pin. Separate the wires and position it on the hairpin. Wrap each wire around the hairpin in opposite directions from each other. Keep wrapping the wires around the prongs of the hairpin. I like to wrap them down the prongs for at least 1 centimeter distance to ensure they're fully secured. Cut any excess wire off with your side cutters. Push the end down carefully with your chain nose pliers. This way you can be sure the end of the wire isn't poking out or feeling scratchy. I made 2 mirrored versions of this hairpin. You can customize this design by positioning the pearl branches differently to what I did. And there you have it. I think this is a perfect way to add something blue to your wedding day or any special occasion. These hairpins can be worn in multiple different ways, clustered together or separate. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.